Meet the smart and stylish AERYS AI voice assistant digital alarm clock. Inside the box, you get one smart alarm clock and one USB charging cable, along with lifetime customer support for complete peace of mind. Simply peel off the protective film to reveal the clear HD touchscreen display. With its smooth premium finish and easy button controls, operating the clock is simple and comfortable. The built-in hi-fi stereo speaker delivers rich sound, while the USB charging port ensures convenient power anytime. Switch on the speaker, connect it through the mobile app, and enjoy Bluetooth music, hands-free calling, voice assistant features, and vibrant RGB lighting all in one smart device.